In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Data Studio, now known as Looker Studio. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate through the steps required to get started with Looker Studio and create insightful reports. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to explore the powerful features of Looker Studio. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This is where it all starts. Once you have Google open in your browser, type in the search bar lookerstudio.google.com. Hit enter and you'll see the search results populate before you. Look for the official link that leads directly to Looker Studio. Typically, it will be one of the top listings. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed. Now that you're on the Looker Studio page, it's crucial to ensure you're logged into your Google account. Simply click on the sign in button if you haven't done so yet, using the Google account that you wish to associate with Looker Studio. This step is essential because it allows you to access and manage your reports seamlessly. Once logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here you can explore various options available to enhance your data visualization projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You can see a navigation menu on the left, which offers a list of options including running reports, viewing your existing reports, and more. On the home page, locate and click on the Recent tab. This feature is designed to help you quickly access your most recent reports, so it's a good habit to get acquainted with it. Click on the Recent section once more to reinforce how you can swiftly return to the reports you've been working on. Now it's time to get creative by generating a new data visualization report. Click on the Create button located prominently on your dashboard. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Report. Doing this will open a new project, prompting you to begin building your data report. The next step involves connecting your data. Looker Studio gives you the flexibility to add data from various sources such as Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Sheets, BigQuery, and many others. Choose the data source that fits your needs. After selecting your data source, click on Add, which incorporates the data into your new report. With your data now connected and integrated, you are fully prepared to start building and customizing your reports within Looker Studio. You can make this space your own by playing around with the templates and customizing the data visualization elements to suit your specific requirements. And there you have it. You're now ready to leverage Google Data Studio, or Looker Studio as it's now known, to create powerful data-driven stories. Don't hesitate to explore further features to elevate your reporting experience. That's all for today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in getting started with Google Data Studio. Happy reporting!